Hello, welcome back. My name is Gigi from Gigi's Canvas, and if you can tell by the title, today you're going to be getting unready with me. We're going to take this all off. I had a really long day at work, so let's get comfortable. First, I'm just going to start with the easiest thing, and that's removing any jewelry that I have on, taking anything out of my hair, any hairdo, any pins, anything that's going to cause pressure on my head. I just want to be comfortable. You know, I'm home. This is my sanctuary. This is where I can be nice and comfy. I'm gonna put it up because I am gonna go into removing my makeup and I don't want to get hair in the way. And also, let's get rid of this uncomfortable work clothes and just throw in some t-shirts and shorts. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I love this thing. I got mine from, I believe, Sephora, and I just take a little bit of that, rub it around my fingers, and I'm just going to go in hardcore in my eyes. What it's going to do is just going to go ahead and remove, well, not really remove, it's going to break down the makeup so that when you go in with a wipe, it takes it all off. Now, if you go in just with a makeup wipe, yes, you're going to get some makeup off, but this way, the balm breaks apart the makeup. It's like an oil. It's a balm that turns into an oil, and it helps you break it down. Make it easy. Then I'm going to take this Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipe. This is my favorite wipe. And I'm just going to go in and try to remove as much makeup as possible. Being super gentle around the eyes. You know that. Oh, yes. It feels so good. And that thing is disgusting. I wear so much stuff on my face. So it is very important that I take it off as soon as I get home. If not, I start breaking out. As you can see, I have a few breakouts there. It's that time of the month, but also about 2 nights ago, I didn't take off my makeup until really late. So now I'm gonna take you to my bathroom, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Tatcha Rice Enzyme Cleansing. I love this stuff. Yes, I know it's pricey, but it's freaking amazing. So it looks like, just like what it says, it looks like rice, but it's not like really rice. It's like a little powder. Then you wet it and it starts foaming. So I just rub that around my face, and what I like about it is that it's super gentle. It exfoliates, but it's gentle on the skin, so you can use it every day. After that, I'm gonna go into this Boja Charcoal Pore Pudding. I've been using this every other day around my pore area, and I really like it, guys. It feels really nice on the skin. I just, you know, I like to take care of those large pores. Here I'm just showing you how I'm obsessed with zombies versus plants. Yes. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash it off, and then we're gonna go back to my studio room. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Clinique Take the Day Off liquid and a Q-tip, and I'm gonna go ahead and rub my eyelashes. Any liner that I have needs to go. Then facial masks are my favorite type of mask. I seriously do one almost every single night. Now, because I did that charcoal, my face felt a little bit dry, so I wanted to go in with any moisturizing mask sheet and just put it in. I left it in for about 15 to 20 minutes and then removed it. For toner, I use this amazing Murad Environmental Shield toner with vitamin C. I like the spray. I just feel like it's a lot easier for me. I really love that thing. And then I just rub it everywhere. For my eye cream, this is my one and only. I go to, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a Strivecting. It is an intense eye cream for wrinkles. If I stop using this stuff, I can really quickly start seeing lines on my eyes, especially on my lids. So I need to make sure that I never forget to use this one. I love it. And then to moisturize my lips, my Laneige lip sleeping mask. Oh my God, that is crazy. And then I go in with a few serums. This one is by the brand The Ordinary. This is just hyaluronic acid with B5. And I'm gonna apply it everywhere. It soaks really quick into the skin, which is why I like it, because I can go back in with the rest of my things. Now this one, This one is a little bit extra and it's not something that I used every single night, but this helps with the lines on your face. As you can see, I have smile lines and then a few lines down my forehead. Well, I go in and I just tap that in every other night. This serum, I got it from Marshall's. It's just like vitamin E and tea tree oil. So I just pat that on my face and my neck every night. Then for my moisturizer, I am obsessed with the Ole Henriksen cream gel. Oh my god, this thing smells so delicious. And when I wake up, my face wakes up so moisturized and just plumpy. I love it. I used to use the top. Then I go into this Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. I have a lot of scars on my face that I'm treating at the moment, so I dab a little bit of that all over all of my scars. And what it does is that after a period of time, it just diminishes the appearance of them until they start. And lastly, but definitely not least, for any breakouts that I have going on at the moment, like right now, thanks to Mother Nature, I turn to Mario Badescu drying lotion and I apply that all over my breakouts. What this does, it just dries them out. And that is it, guys. That is my nighttime routine, how I take off my makeup. Now I'm ready for bed. Thank you so much again for visiting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you know anytime I upload a video. And remember that the world is your canvas, so make it pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, night, afternoon, wherever you are.